Before this year ends, I want to remind you of something that you sometimes miss. To start with, I want to remind you that you are exactly where you wish to be. You have made some progress. Just take a day out and look at the past events. You will surely realize that from January 2022 to December 2022, you have changed a lot and the circumstances have changed a lot. Your life has shifted and new possibilities have opened up. You realize that nothing is static and everything is evolving. Like the flowing water in the river, things are also moving. Circumstances are changing and you are progressing. If you build a wall or disturb a flowing river in any way, the water level will rise until it reaches a point where it can overcome the wall. So, everything in the world is temporary. Just like the wall temporarily stopped the flowing water, your hardships and sufferings are also temporary. They will go away if you stay persistent, like flowing water. Also, you have realized that there are countless possibilities. You can create an alternate path adjacent to the river and link both of them so that water can flow in a different direction and overcome the obstacle. In any case, the water keeps flowing continuously, as obstacles are always temporary. You shouldn't be concerned because the only thing that matters is you. What you feel inwardly matters. How you live internally matters. Like the wall, your external reality will try to stop you. It would seem that the wall is too long or that the circumstances are rigid. But, trust me, once you remain persistent, you will overcome them. Your specific person, money, physical changes, and every desire you have are all symbols of limitations that you overcome by manifesting them and realizing that you are not this body or this mind but something beyond this. You are the awareness or consciousness in which the whole physical world is manifested. You may have realized that becoming wealthy is simply overcoming the limitation of being poor, but becoming wealthy is a limitation in and of itself. Likewise, every solution has a limitation on something else. So, choose your limitations consciously. Manifestation is not some kind of woo-woo stuff or magic or anything else. It seems like magic and works like magic for a person who is simply unaware of the possibility beyond their mind and body. Manifestation is simply choosing your emotions, thoughts, and actions consciously, and controlling your mind and body in a manner to witness something different than your day-to-day experience. Manifesting is realizing that your inner experiences highly influence your external reality the majority of the time. It is recognizing that you are the creator of your experiences rather than merely a byproduct of them. It is realizing that all of your emotions, including love, hate, joy, sadness, happiness, and anger, are created and nurtured by you. You lose your power when you allow someone outside of yourself to make you feel a certain way. These are generated by you at every point in time. Going forward in this journey, you realize that imagination is a very powerful tool that, if used correctly, can completely transform your reality. Manifestation is always about your inner world. It is not about something physical, but something physical gets manifested if you direct your inner world in a certain way. This life is a drama, and you are its director. There is nothing to lose or win here, as you came here with nothing and go from here with nothing. Manifesting is all about gaining access to a dimension of yourself that is responsible for creating your outer experiences. It is about feeling satisfied internally and realizing your true nature. Your reality reflects your mindset, and since your mindset is always changing, you can develop a certain mindset. What you focus on or think about is reflected in your external reality. Your current reality is just a byproduct of your previous thoughts, emotions, and actions. The only thing you can do is shift from them by choosing a different perspective, by seeing yourself as a different person, by choosing to feel different emotions, and by choosing different actions that in turn shift your reality to a different one. Your reality can be viewed as a movie. You are the main actor, director, and writer of this movie. Everyone else is some character that is assisting you in achieving one thing or another. They are temporary in your experience. They are the supporting actors that you have appointed for your movie. While some people mistake it by trying to become supporting actors in their own movies, and they do it by placing some supporting characters on a pedestal in their own movie. Every time you think, you are writing the script for this movie. Your thoughts are the short scene that is being played out by you and others. Write this script carefully and choose a story for yourself. This will all be played out in an amazing manner at a certain time. No one is a puppet to you. Everyone shares the same consciousness, as everyone is you pushed out. And by you, I do not mean this body or mind of yours. You refers to your higher self, your ultimate self, your awareness. You are never forcing someone to be a certain way. You are just changing the way you look at them. You are changing your perceptions about them, and they are mirroring it back to you. The way you see yourself is how others perceive you. Instead of getting angry or mad at anyone, simply raise your perceptions about yourself and notice the reflection. Your journey is to find yourself, not someone else. So, I hope this video has impacted you in a positive way. Subscribe if you experienced something wonderful through this video. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.